Hi, I'm Kim and today is the first day of my 1 million step walking challenge, so I'm recording some workouts to get my step count up and help you if you want to join me. So let's start marching on the spot, right, left. Remember, if you're using a step counter, you really need to keep your arms swinging throughout. I'll add some arm movements during these workouts. If it's all too much for you, just come back to gently swinging the arms. Keep the head high, shoulders relaxed. Beautiful, well done. We're going to do this, 1 million steps, 3 months. Make sure you've got enough space around you. So if you haven't, you can always turn. You can do all these workouts in the space of a fitness mat. Also, I'm wearing bare feet. If you have diabetes, please check your feet after you've worked out. Check there's nothing on the floor before you even start working out. And really, probably best to wear shoes. Keep those feet moving. 3, 2, 1 and a tap. 3, 2, 1 and a tap. Again, keep those arms moving. Coming forward to me for 4, 3, 2, and a clap. Back, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and back. Let's take it to the corner. So on a slight diagonal, you're going to need to work with what space you've got. So if all you've got is your space of your mat, you might not be going to the corner, you might be going to the right and then the left. Hold it here. Just always be aware of your surroundings, always be aware of what you might hit with your arms. I decided to try and film a workout in my sitting room and bash my hand on the television, so I've decided to come back in here. Hold it here on the spot. You're going to change the movement to a little side step and together. So how big you make this is up to you. We're still warming up here. The first record is quite slow. Warm up the body. Other side. Keep those feet moving. The music will rejoin us. Hold it here. So you're going to move right over to the left hand side of your mat or space. Let's take it to 2 steps. Step, together, step. Keep those arms moving. Let's take arms over. Push. A little push to the side. You can just swing the arms if that's what feels good for you. Always make it work for you. If you don't like what I'm doing, just dance along to the music. Let's hold it here. Single step. Take it back for 2. Singles. I'm doing my best here for all of us to keep the arms moving throughout, so double arms in everything we do. Double step, single steps. Hold it here, march it through. 3 and step, 3 and tap even. If you want to start bringing your heart rate up a bit and get a better workout, it's up to you this one is, you can start lifting the knee. So I'm stepping back, forward, just turn sideways so you can see what I'm doing. That's fine. If you'd rather, just keep it here, keep it here. If you just want a gentle workout to get your step count up, go for the easy option. Better to keep moving and work all the way through. Get those steps in and get yourself out of breath. We want to be Ideally, a little bit out of breath while we're doing this, but as long as you're moving, you're getting those steps, you're beginning to improve your health and fitness. 1, 2, 3, a tap. 1, 2, 3, and a tap. So I'm swinging the arms across the body now. If that doesn't feel good, just keep them as they were before. Singles out to the side now. The higher you take the arms, the harder you're going to work. So I'm actually pushing my elbows up now, feeling that in the back of the arms. If that doesn't feel good, just let the hands swing. And I'm going to change it. I'm going to turn so you can see. I'm going to take the leg out behind. Try and keep the back relaxed. If you're not arching your back, if you do this, not very far back, just leaning slightly forward, keeping the head up. Well done. We're getting there. Keep moving through the gap in the music. So it's a little bit faster again. Trying to keep those feet nice and light. Lift that head high. Open up and across the back. Relax the shoulders. Open up across the chest. Let's go back to the side step, so just to the right and back. And the left. I'm going to do little bicep curl arms, keeping that tracker watch moving with the feet. Hold it here for 4, 3, 2. 2 steps to the right and back. So I'm going to take it to a grapevine. If you can't do a grapevine or it doesn't make sense to you, your feet get tangled up, just keep it with a double step. So I'm step, cross, step together. I'm adding swimming arms and pull. If that doesn't work, please stick with the double side steps, just change the arms. Back to single steps, hold it here. I'm going to go back to the double steps in a moment. So a lot of these movements now, I'm going to taking the intensity up a little bit. Always go back to slightly smaller steps and these arms if you prefer. So let's go double steps. Swing the arms up over the top. Single step, double step. Join me when you can. Double, single. You don't have to add the jump. You can just keep it as a single side step. Keep the arms low if you prefer. If you're following me with the slightly harder versions, I'm hoping you're feeling a bit warmer now. If not, maybe you want to put a bit more energy into it, make the steps a bit bigger. If you're feeling too warm or too out of breath, then please take it down, lose the arm movements, keep it smaller. Last one, hold it here, side to side. Let's take it to heel digs in front. So I'm just pushing the heel out. Heel out. Do what feels good. I'm being a bit careful here. Don't want to bang my hands on the wall behind me. The space isn't very big in this room. Well done. Keep going. Anytime you're feeling it too much, just go back to a gentle, slow walk on the spot, but keep those arms swinging. Just keep it walking through. So if you need a bit of a break, if you need to grab a sip of water, please do. But it's a cloudy day today. I'm very warm now. I'm moving back towards the back of my space. You might want to move towards the back of your mat. 4, 2, 3, and back. Taking it to the corner or turning to the side. Again, work with the space you've got. Be really aware of any tellies, walls or anything else. Animals, children. Other way. Whoa. Watch when you're changing direction. Nearly tripped over my own feet there. Ideally pause a little bit in the middle. So if you can't change at the same time as me, don't worry. It really is all about just getting the steps in place. Hold it here. Three on the left, 3, 2, 1, knee lift. And if you want to make it a little bit bigger, you can step back and forward. If not, just keep it to a little toe tap if you prefer. Here, just mash it through. Tap. Again, doesn't matter if you're not with me, whichever leg goes out, doesn't matter if you're behind me, doesn't matter if you're not in time with the music either. Just want you to keep moving, keep those steps up. So I'm going to take it out behind in a moment. 2 more each side and behind. Let's just take single steps behind. Music's finished? Not quite. One more track. So let's cool down. A little bit of a bounce to this one. Feels quite fast, but actually you can slow the feet down. I'm adding a little bounce to my step. Quite hard to keep in time with the music with this one, really. Let's do heel digs. Be inventive with the arms, but keep them moving. Keep those step counts on your watch to tie with the steps on your feet, or the steps your feet are making even. I'm hoping as we go through this that I'll get a little bit more proficient. Sorry if I'm just march it through. I've had fun this morning trying to get my system working again to record. A little bit hot and flustered, but we got there in the end. More important that we just keep those steps going, keep going. Well done. So I'm marching 2, 3, tap, back, 2, 3, and a tap. Well done. So we're going to start to really cool the body down now. So if you're adding a lot of bounce, start to lose it. Take the foot behind. So try and keep that leg straight as it goes back. Whew. Pulling the arms right back at shoulder height, getting a little bit of work across the back of the shoulders as well. To the side, elbows up. But keep it fairly gentle with the feet, keep them moving. Slow down if you need to. I want your body to start to cool down a little bit now even. Push in front. So you're taking those feet out behind. Let's take that back foot back. Push the heel into the ground. Both feet are pointing forward parallel. Front knees bent. Back leg straight. Feeling the stretch in here in the calf muscle. The music's gone back to the beginning. We're just going to stick with this stretch to end our workout for today. And let's change sides. So again, both feet are pointing forward. Be aware of your back foot. Quite often I see the heel turns in. Open that heel out until you feel the stretch in your calf muscle. Make sure your back's nice and softly relaxed, that you're not arching back up. So I'm leaning slightly forward here. Well done. Hope to see you tomorrow for the next workout. Bye for now.